Mabuhay! Thank you for calling Les Champion Hotel. This is Dimple speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservations for the third week of September. Is the elite room available?
I really apologize, ma'am, but the room you wanted is not available. However, I would like to offer you a deluxe room which is available on that weekend. Would you like to avail it, ma'am?
Yes, please. And what are the inclusions?
For the inclusion, you have a VIP access which includes movie theater experience, gym, free dinner, and breakfast in the morning.
Okay, perfect.
May I know what is the exact date of your arrival?
On the 24th.
How long you will be staying, ma'am?
Just a couple of nights.
For how many people is the reservation for?
Just good for two.
Do you need a room with one bed or two?
Just a double bed, please, with a balcony. And how much is the rate of the room?
For that room, you just have to pay 7,500.
Okay, perfect.
Alright, ma'am. We have available deluxe room with balcony good for 2 packs, and this comes with complimentary breakfast for 2. It costs 7,500 per night. Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will be reserved with the list under?
Rana Hernandez.
Last name is Hotel, Echo, Romeo, Nancy, Alpha, Nancy, Delta, Echo, Zulu. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great! Now, I need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa number? 5667781.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, and my cell phone number is 777771.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Rona A. Hernandez.
Ms. Hernandez, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check in at 2 o'clock. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great, thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Les Champion Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation today under the name of Rona Hernandez.
Can you spell that one for me, ma'am?
Sure, it is HERNANDEZ.
Excellent. We've just received your card information on file, and if you just sign the receipt along the bottom, please sign this one.
Great, thanks.
Your room number will be 487, and this is your key. To get to your room, take the elevator. Right after the elevator, once you exit, your room will be on the left-hand side, and a bellboy will be bring your bag up shortly. Excuse me, Miss Hernandez. I will escorting you to your room now. This way, please.
Yes, thank you.
The hotel has provision from room service from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The room service menu is on the top of your right table. And also, the dine at some our outlets like Golden Chains Restaurant operating from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Lovely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Miss Hernandez. Please enjoy your stay here in our hotel. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.